Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. A very happy new year and a merry Christmas to every one of you guys. And hope this year and our future days are filled with success, prosperity and happiness. So with that happy intention, let's start the reading, Gemini. For your daily reading, Gemini, we are picking few cards for your relationship and career situation. Also we'll be picking few more cards, guys. So these are for your daily energies, these are for your career situation, guys, and few more cards for your relationship, and these are for your relationship, Gemini. So we will turn the cards as we proceed, guys. For your daily reading, Gemini, it's King of Swords in reverse, Two of Pentacles and Queen of Cups. So with these cards, I see that today you are trying to adapt between some offers or opportunities in your situation today, guys. Something has come up. It may be a second career choice or option that has come towards you, and you are trying to be really flexible, adapt to that new career or adapt to that new path, or you are trying to find time for yourself in this hectic schedule between your work and home. So some kind of flexibility you are working on, guys. And I also see that today your intuition is guiding you in every step of the way. So whatever choices you are making in your life today, intuition is telling you, and your instincts are sharp, and that may also tell you what are the right choices and what are the wrong choices today. So you are maybe the way you behave, it may appear impulsive, maybe some sudden decisions that you take, but it is not your impulsive decision, it is your instincts. It's not your instincts, it is your intuition guiding you today, Gemini. So something is telling you within your heart of hearts what you need to do today, and if it does, you have to listen to it, guys. It will be for your benefit, Gemini. So that is what I see. And also there are people in your career or in your personal life, they do not have that true concern on you. They are having evil intentions towards you, so you need to be really careful with them, guys. That is also what I see with these cards for your daily reading, guys. Let us see what are the cards for your career situation first. It's Queen of Wands in reverse, Five of Pentacles and Six of Wands in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, Gemini, I see that you have fears about something, some kind of doubts or apprehensions about some outcome in your career, and you feel that you will not be able to do things or reach that successful completion in something, maybe some projects or some financial deals. You will not be able to reach that successful completion, you feel, and you are worried because things may be slowing or delaying in some ways. That may be the reason. And though you have good understanding with people, with the people you work with, your colleagues, your employees. So this understanding may not help you, still they are opposing you, opposing your views in some ways, and they are quite jealous, or they even want to make use of your skills and efforts, trying to deceive you in some ways, Gemini. So you need to be really careful, and there is a huge competition in your work situation, guys. That is also what I see. And maybe things are not going so well in your career situation, guys. You may be facing some kind of financial loss, some troubles in your career situation, guys. That is what I see with this card, guys. Let us see what are these cards for your personal situation. Emperor in reverse, Moon, and Six of Pentacles. So with these cards, I see that in this connection with this person, this may be your energy or this may be their energy. They are really compassionate, caring and loving towards you, guys, and you support this person or they support you in every way possible. So they are your rock, or they are the pillar of strength for you, and you rely on this person or they rely on you. And this interdependency, the reason may be your love for each other, respect and caring for each other. So you have this beautiful positive working relationship, Gemini. That is what I see, and you have this compassion towards them, or they have this compassion towards you, maybe because of the troubles that you're facing in your life, in your career situation. They are compassionate towards you, and you both have dreams and aspirations. So this person is supporting your dreams, is helping you to reach your goals, whatever plans you have for yourself, for your future. So they are really helpful for you today, and they are supporting you in every way. And you may be having those beautiful dreams about your future together, or some kind of fantasies, and you are trying to make those dreams come true today, Gemini, working towards those dreams. So that is what I see with these cards, Gemini, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.